Hello, my name is Bianco. In this video we have a look at another folding knife from Witharmour. In this case we have this one here. Typical Witharmour box. We sell those knives right here in USA on the swissbianco.com website for fast shipping. So this one is named Storms. We have a nice CNC machined blade with a mix of aluminium, steel and G10 of a handle. We see the top part here is aluminium, then we have G10 over there. In the middle, of course, we have a stainless steel liner as a liner lock. It's a combination of a liner lock, frame lock, how you want to call it. It's basically a thin piece of metal like a liner lock and shaped like a frame lock. So as usually, as we push that away, the knife gonna close. Nice texturing on it, a lot of skeletonized cuts. Deep carry pocket clip, stainless steel. It's not reversible there. We have a big lanyard hole as well. Open web design, some chimping, of course flipper, and yeah, nice made item. Flipper is easy to use. You simply press it down with my left hand. You can of course way easier do it with the right hand. Just typical flipper action. The design is Roar Dragon again, and we have D2 steel. We see that there on the engraving. This knife is brand new out of the box, so there is a bit oil on the blade. Size wise, a little bit bigger than the traditional 91mm Victorinox, of course. Thickness about the same. For my rather large hands, enough space to hold it. Good chimping so we can actually use it. Good guard also, that we don't gonna touch the blade. They're easy to use and lightweight to carry. So that much about this Witharmour folding knife.